At least I learned from my experience on Drummond Island to have a full-size spare. Not have to go to a tire shop on a Saturday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on the most remote island in Michigan.
Joe's learning!
One step closer, you actually had a
swear.
full-size tire this time.
This kind of stuff only happens with Team Joe. You'll never have this with Team Bypass.
In our second attempt at Evart, we started with a quick trip to the larger hill climb where unfortunately it got rutted out and only a couple were able to make it up. Joe in his Sequoia decided to try to bury its roots, resulting in the rest of us not making it up so easily.
That's right where I was going to stop too.
You're about to drop now. It was very anticlimactic. Your rear was more climatic though. No, that was the trees over here that you just whacked just enough. Alright, so right here is where the rock is.
Don't worry, I'm getting sliders on Saturday.
Don't buck me off. Oh, jeez.
Following the first hill climb, we went over to the smaller second. While somewhat easier, it also isn't as loose as normal. That didn't stop one of us from spinning tires though. Well, I wasn't expecting this. You know, covered in head to toe with mud. Comes Geo. He covered me in mud. Alright, we've seen those before. Now, let's get to some new spots in Evart with the group. We headed north to get off the trail, figure out where we were going next. Joe took that opportunity to lead us down some not-so-traveled trails.
Oh man, it's Dad's vacation property. All those mattresses.
Perfect timing for the camera to turn on and record.
Oh man, he's got so many memories out here.
We are not on the map anymore.
I show it.
Mine doesn't show it.
It shows on mine. On Gaia.
These trails were all tracked and submitted to Onyx. I'll put a link in the description to these as soon as they're available.
Quick, get a hold of Derek and have him call Mitch J. Van Zant or Sherry L. Thornton. He'll call him and tell him we're driving through.
Man, this is soupy.
Like Joe has stopped up there. Maybe the trail ended. Doesn't look like it's going to tie right back in with the main trail.
We're good. I was just getting out, checking on you guys behind me. I figured I had a couple minutes.
Supposed to be aimed at the right spot, so I think we're going to tie right back in and be good. A fun little soupy spot. Yeah. That's what it looks like to me. It's like maybe to the left had some kind of a sharp technical turn or something in it. I don't know.
Which is odd because it doesn't show that it meets back up anywhere over here.
One of the maps that I just screwed up when someone was recording it.
Well, see, that's the thing, is that these aren't recorded trails. If they were recorded trails, they would be blue.
You're a pioneer, Corey.
You know it. After what seemed like a large clearing, we took a right and trekked through some of the tightest yet passable trails I've ever been in.
That's a walking trail, then why do they have a vehicle width?
There's tire tracks in front of me. Somebody else has done this for sure.
I mean, he's called the big tree for a reason.
I really pushed this little tree over. Hey, Corey, name this, don't go down there.
Not suitable for vehicle traffic.
Just watch all your mirrors, your roof lines, everything as you're going through here. And take it slow.
Once out of the skinny trail, we came across a hole and another group tried to pass it as well, but in the opposite direction.
Did it?
Looks like it's stretched pretty good now. Somebody came through here with some huge tires.
Yeah.
It looks pretty solid in there.
It was down quick and it was up quick. Both front and back.
I'm not doing it. I can tell you that.
Pull that up right now.
Why you don't want to change your
Oh, that's not bad right there.
starter again?
That's solid. That's not like that, 2 foot of leaf covered bottom that you did.
Come on, Joe. It's just a starter.
Where's the? I want to see this side though,
It's just a starter, he says.
started.
and then I'll do it.
It's warranty out. You know, go get a warranty on it.
Check this side, and then I'll actually roll in here slow.
It's actually, it's not that bad.
It looks fine.
I'll do it.
You can't do it, no. You'll go around.
Who, me?
No, Ranger.
I'll go through it. Oh, that doesn't look bad right now at all. It looks solid.
And there's things that it was gonna have, so you can't do all of it, and that's okay.
Move the Sequoia.
Move the.
I'm doing it.
Part ways, Sequoia.
Part ways.
Well, we gotta figure out this little spot in this traffic jam situation.
Right.
Don't fall in the mud.
So good.
Now to get stuck.
Thorns!
Shortly after passing these mud holes, we came across what we promptly named Little Log Jam, after Log Jam on Drummond Island.
What's going on up there, Joe? I was just marking the water crossing. Rock solid, and it's not actually very deep.
We're gonna need to move up next, where the next one goes. Oh, what's on top?
Who's going to be the taste tester?
Oh, it's a double soup.
Is there a go around on that?
We're not going this way, guys. Because there is no bypass. This is just pure soup.
The Ranger wants to go around. Yes, there's an easier way to get through there.
What I'm saying is we're not going this way. Don't keep coming.
Too late. I'll turn around after you guys get through.
As Gio will see in a second, it's just Soup City the further you go. While waiting for Joe to fix his wheel again, night fell, and it was almost time to call it a day. But you'll need to see the rest of that in the next video.